Namaste, food enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of healthy eating with the Grana Grain Mill. If you're passionate about fresh, nutritious flour, this video is for you. Did you know that stone-based grain mills like the Grana preserve essential nutrients? The slow grinding process ensures that your flour retains vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Say goodbye to nutrient loss. The Grana Grain Mill uses natural granite stones to crush grains. The result? A fine textured flour that's perfect for baking bread and other culinary creations. Built to last, the Grana Mill is sturdy and reliable. It can grind various grains, corn, wheat, ragi, lentils and beans, etc. Plus, it's a beautiful addition to your kitchen. Let me show you how easy it is to use the Grana Grain Mill. Just load your grains, adjust the settings, and watch the magic happen. Fresh flour at your fingertips. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? You can find the Grana Grain Mill on Flipkart and Amazon. Click the links in the description below to explore and order yours. Remember friends, healthier choices start with fresh ingredients. The Grana Grain Mill, your gateway to wholesome, homemade goodness. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this flavorful journey together. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment below. Until next time, happy cooking!